That's what
Yes,
you mean. Yeah.
untampered. That is the right. So we have to ensure that the evidence is untampered. In case we need to recreate the incident or the scenario in court, because if something is suspected to be tempered, it's not acceptable in court. And if you
Yeah.
cannot prove in court, you cannot hold no one accountable
Accountable. That's
for
interesting.
that.
That's a very good point.
Yeah, and not just the court side, but also now the companies are more and more and more adopting the culture of having cyber insurance. In case something happened, we just need to ensure that we did our due diligence and due care. And digital forensic is exactly proof of due diligence and due care. You will prove that you did everything in your power
Uh,
to make sure that your system were safe.
That is interesting. So this is like a very important piece of this, right? Which is collecting the evidence, chain of custody, so forth. Are there is the chain of custody standardized for everyone, or it's an enterprise specific? Like how does that work? Or it's just a matter of we're ensuring that the right person who should be touching this evidence is touching it. Is that sort of like what it is?
It's basically that the chain of
Okay.
custody is making sure. Let me break down this. Let's just say we collect all the evidence. We digital forensic all the evidence. As soon as we collect all the evidence, we will keep the original evidence, the original machine that we're using to attack the company, the username, the original evidence. We will keep in one place. We will lock that box, and we will do a copy. So all the investigation, all the work that we're going to be doing to investigate, mitigate, we will work on the copy, because as we move forward in the incident, we may temper the evidence. We may when as we search for the logs, as we dive in, we may change things. As is very volatile, we may change things on
But
the evidence. So at that point, that is not accepted in court. So the chain of custody is making sure that we save the real evidence and nobody touch the real evidence until we get to the court, and some forensic specialists provided by the court or provided by the accuser will review the evidence and confirm our findings in our side.
so these are so the forensic, I guess the forensic experts for the court, like they're typically independent, or they're assuming, like, are they like the prosecutor? They're from the prosecutor's team, or it's just like the court and the enterprise decides on some expert and then they run with it, or it's just this is appointed by like the court.
Usually, they are appointed by the court.
Makes sense.